Okay, so we've seen how we can create scrolling text and scrolling photos or a photo gallery using our content scroller in the overlays, Foley Overlays. Now what we're going to do is we want to take a look at importing a video or multimedia. So let's create another page using our master template, and creates our template that we've designed, 3 columns with a 20 point or 20 pixel gutter. And let's pull in some filler text, type, go under the type and fill with placeholder text. Let's enlarge that type. I go 14. I think we had 14 over 18. It just makes it a little bit easier to look at. And we will use times type. Okay, and you'll see over here on the page, the pages window, they automatically creates, InDesign automatically creates extra pages to fill, accommodate for all the text that we pull in, but we don't need to worry about that right now. It doesn't matter. So let's just pull. I took and grabbed the anchor point of that text content holder, the content rectangle, and we're going to bring the text down, just bring it down about halfway down the page, a little bit more. And let's pull in a video. I've got one recorded here, and let's go under place. In our projects folder, we have a video already that I've recorded off the internet, and it's called New York Groove. And who doesn't like a little bit of Kiss? Classic Kiss. So anyway, it goes in the theme of our little project here. So what I'll do is I've got that size, and we can scale it. We can, holding the Option Shift, we can scale it. Let's see, the Command Option Shift, and we should be able to scale down the video any way we want. But we can go that way, or we can just bring up the holding the Shift key down so that it scales proportionally. Let's open up and that box a little bit, and let's take the object, and we will go fitting to fit content to frame. So there we go. Now, when you pull the video in, InDesign will have the video set right at the very first frame of the video, and this one is kind of ugly. You don't know what it is. Well, there's kind of what. Let's go to the first of all. Let's go to the Foley Overlays, and this is actually a. We don't have to use. We go under the video, audio and video. Let's click their tool. The tool. We can select autoplay when that it just automatically starts playing when the browser or the user flips to the page, but I prefer to just use tap to view controller. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to, oops, lost the page there, audio video. Now let's go under, we've got that selected. Let's go under window, and let's go under interactive. This is a neat little feature that I like about, let's see, interactive. And let's go under media. So now with that selected, this is what you can set. You can view your video right here. You can actually play it right here if you want. Does that. Okay, so we'll stop there. But here's what's really, it says play on page load, which we don't want. And it'll loop, we don't want that. Let's go the poster. What is the poster image is what the InDesign will show in the video as the first frame. If you would like to find a better poster image, that would be the first image. I'd like to go in and look down through here and find a really cool image we can find. So let's say we go so one of these frames. I'm going to look around here. Let's say we go with that one. So we've got it set right there. Now under poster, if we select from current frame like that, just click on it, hit from current frame. Watch what's going to happen on the image that we have in our InDesign document. It should pop right to that, and there it goes. So now we have the video poster image set to, you know, a frame that is a little bit more appealing and enticing. So we'll just keep it there, and that way once it loads, then it'll start back up on the video. Now we can kind of, let's take a preview of this under right here. See how that's going to preview. Let me get that out of the way. Computer's running a little slow. If we look at it here, here's how it's going to look. Hopefully that page. So here's our page. I don't know why InDesign doesn't show. You have to enlarge this so it keeps popping up smaller. Let's say we pull this window up now. Okay, so here's what our page will look like. So if we tap on it, the video should play. There you go. Now let's see what's going on. It's running a little bit slow. I don't know why, but when you do the preview, it should play the video. There we go. Yeah, it's streaming a little bit slow, but at least we know it's working. And later on, there we go. Now it's catching in. Now here's something else we can do. I'd like to be able to show the controllers. Under this controller panel, we didn't see any controllers on there, but let's do this. Let's go skin over all, and what that is going to show then is we'll be able to see a skin, a controller skin that will come across the bottom of the, it should show up here. And when we tap on it, there you go. So now when you tap on it, you can see the controllers here. And it's got all the controls you need, all your volume, and I like that. That's pretty cool. And you can pick all different types of options. Just click on these under the controller. Skin over all, skin over play caption, skin over play. All these you can just play around and see which ones you like. This will show up usually show up on the internet or on the web if you're on a website, or if it shows up on the web. But it doesn't seem to show up on the iPad. So, but anyway, it's a good thing to have, and that kind of makes it a little bit more obvious. But nevertheless, what we want to do is we want to hit that we tap on this, that when we get to that video and that play, we tap to view the controller, and that'll cause it to play as well. All right.